My name is Garrett. I don't have a Facebook page because I'm too
Hobos.
I don't have. Hey, but these people are so mean. They're gonna just load me onto YouTube. Without a shoe. Please, have mercy.
Here's a shoe cone, sir. Oh my God!
Stop mocking me.
Like yesterday with the lemonade.
I'm just a hobo! Why are you all surrounding me?
Please! Say, take me away from this.
I need another shoe. Oh, get away from me!
Fun.
Stop mocking me! Hey, Mailman! Check out the Hobos! Mailmen are nice. Right? Hey, he was laughing at me! He was laughing! Get off me! Wow, you guys are so nice!
Honk for Hobos. Garrett!
Stop mocking me! You guys are telling us wrongs! Hobos are nice.
Oh!
No!
Every honk we get, we donate $1 to this hobo. For his home! Donate!
For a honk, you guys are lame!
Honk! Honk!
Waving does not get me money! Stop laughing at me! Shut up!
He's a honk! Honk!
Yes! $2! $2, baby! Oh, yeah, buddy! Why am I here when it's raining? Can I get my plywood? That doesn't get me money.
You don't even seem happy.
$3! $3! I need like 50 more.
50 more.
50,000 more. My parents kicked me out of their home. I'm only 12, soon to be 13. How shall I? See, I can't pronounce words. How am I going to celebrate my birthday? Okay, guys, I'm just gonna check my phone. I'm just acting like a hobo. You know what I'm saying?